Apple iPhone 16e versus Samsung Galaxy S24 FE. When it comes to display size, the Apple iPhone 16e offers a compact 6.1 inches, perfect for one-handed use, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE boasts a larger 6.7 inches, ideal for immersive viewing experiences. Which one suits your style? In the camera department, the Apple iPhone 16e features a powerful 48 megapixel wide lens, delivering stunning photos with excellent detail. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE ups the ante with a 50 megapixel wide lens and additional telephoto and ultra-wide options, making it a versatile choice for photography enthusiasts. Which one captures your best moments? Both the Apple iPhone 16e and Samsung Galaxy S24 FE come with options of 128GB, 256GB, and 512GB of internal storage paired with 8GB of RAM. This ensures smooth multitasking and ample space for your apps and media. Are you ready to store all your memories? The Apple iPhone 16e shines with a resolution of 1170 by 2532 pixels, offering sharper visuals, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE presents a 1080 by 2340 pixel resolution, still impressive but slightly less pixel dense. Which display will make your content pop? Under the hood, the Apple iPhone 16e is powered by the efficient A18 chip, ensuring seamless performance. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE houses a robust 10-core Exynos 2400E, designed for multitasking and gaming. Which powerhouse will drive your daily tasks? The Apple iPhone 16e packs a 4005 mAh battery, providing reliable daily use. On the other hand, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE comes with a larger 4700 mAh battery, promising extended usage for those who need it. Which one will keep you powered throughout the day? For selfies, the Apple iPhone 16e features a 12-megapixel front camera with advanced depth sensing, perfect for stunning portraits. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE offers a 10-megapixel front camera, still capable but without the same depth features. Which one will elevate your selfie game? The Apple iPhone 16e is elegantly crafted with a glass front and back, framed in aluminum for a premium feel. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE boasts Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on the front, enhancing durability while maintaining a sleek design. Which build will withstand your lifestyle? The Apple iPhone 16e utilizes the cutting-edge A18 chipset, providing top-notch performance and efficiency. In contrast, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE runs on the Exynos 2400E, delivering strong performance but with a different architecture. Which chipset aligns with your performance needs? With its Super Retina XDR OLED display, the Apple iPhone 16e offers vibrant colors and deep blacks, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE features a dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for smooth scrolling and gaming. Which display technology captivates you more? The Apple iPhone 16e allows for stunning 4K video recording at various frame rates, ensuring high-quality footage. Meanwhile, the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE takes it a step further with 8K video recording capabilities, perfect for aspiring filmmakers. Which one will capture your cinematic vision? Finally, the Apple iPhone 16e is priced at $599, while the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE comes in at $650. Both offer excellent value for their features, but which price point fits your budget better?